Top 5 Best Model Car Kits. Number 5. LEGO Technic Mercedes-AMG F1 W14. Celebrate Mercedes F1 legacy with the LEGO Technic Mercedes-AMG F1 W14 set, capturing details from the 2023 race car. This 1642-piece model offers an intricate build and comes with slick tires, steering control from both the steering wheel and a knob, and a functional 6-cylinder engine with moving pistons. The car also features an opening DRS-inspired wing, bringing elements from real-world racing into this scaled-down model. It's not only a fun build but a true display piece, showcasing authentic livery details that will stand out in any collection. Compatible with the LEGO Builder app, builders can track their progress, rotate the model, and even zoom in 3D, adding a new dimension to the experience. This Mercedes-AMG F1 model is the perfect project for motorsport fans and those who enjoy challenging and rewarding builds, offering both a fun journey and a remarkable finished product suitable for any home or office decor. Coming in number 4, LEGO Creator Expert Ford Mustang 10265 Building Set. For fans of classic American cars, the LEGO Creator Expert Ford Mustang set is a must-have. This model, replicating the iconic 1960s Ford Mustang, features a dark blue body with white racing stripes, plus exclusive elements like 5-spoke rims and a Mustang logo tile. With a highly detailed V8 engine, removable roof panel, and customizable features, builders can adjust the car's look with add-ons like a supercharger, rear spoiler, and nitrous oxide tank. The interior is no less impressive, featuring detailed seats, a radio, a mid-console gearshift, and a working steering wheel. One standout feature is the adjustable rear axle, which gives the Mustang its powerful stance. With printed GT emblems and a choice of license plates, this set offers a satisfying build that results in a piece fit for display. It's ideal for fans of muscle cars, making it an engaging project with a fantastic payoff. Coming in number 3, LEGO Technic Ferrari 488 GTE. Capture the racing spirit of Ferrari with this LEGO Technic Ferrari 488 GTE set. Designed for racing fans and car enthusiasts, this model is a precise replica of the trophy-winning racer. It boasts details like front and back suspension, a V8 engine with moving pistons, and a functional steering wheel, all contributing to an authentic racing experience. Builders can explore the opening doors and hood, which reveal intricate design elements true to the original Ferrari 488 GTE. Sporting the signature race stickers and color scheme, it's a perfect display piece for any motorsport lover. The set also includes a special instruction booklet with exclusive insights into the car and AF Course 51 racing team, making it an excellent choice for fans seeking more than just a model. Building this Ferrari offers both a rewarding challenge and a stunning final product, suitable for display in any home or office. Coming in number 2, LEGO Icons Chevrolet Camaro Z28-10304. Channel the spirit of the iconic 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 with this meticulously crafted LEGO Icons set. This model captures the look and feel of an American muscle car, complete with a detailed V8 engine, working steering wheel, and functional doors, hood, and trunk. Builders can customize their Camaro with either a closed or convertible roof, choose between classic or hideaway headlights, and select from 3 racing stripe colors. Additional elements, such as furry dice, an auto magazine tile, and a choice of 2 number plates, add a dash of nostalgia. This project brings a touch of classic Americana to any collection and is a relaxing build that results in a unique collectible. Perfect as home decor, this set is a creative outlet for fans of classic cars and a thoughtful gift for anyone who appreciates the thrill of an American muscle car. Coming in number 1, LEGO Technic Lamborghini Shan 37 Falkland Islands pounds 42,115 Building Set. This 3,696-piece LEGO Technic set captures the essence of the Lamborghini Shan 37 Falkland Islands pounds, scaled at 1:8. Designed for serious builders, this model offers more than just assembly, it's an experience in engineering that brings enthusiasts closer to the real sports car. Featuring a V12 engine with moving pistons, front and rear suspension, and an 8-speed sequential transmission, it's a dream project for any Lamborghini fan. The golden rims and lime green color provide striking realism, while scissor doors and the opening front and rear hoods add authentic functionality. This set isn't just a display piece, it's a collector's item that comes with a unique serial number, a decorative plate, and a detailed instruction booklet. Perfect for car lovers, this set embodies Lamborghini's iconic blend of power and elegance, making it a meaningful gift for collectors or builders looking to challenge themselves.